Listen, man, where that gas at? You heard?
That man ready to blow some.
This nigga crazy. It's time to get up out of here, man. It's game time.
Yeah, it's over with, huh?
813 Ratchet Badazz, man. To come up, coming soon. Yeah. Ratchet Badazz. Yeah. Okay. Problem after problem that I go through, yeah. Now I'm charged up like Goku. Always keep a pole on me like horseshoe. In the Corvette, do the same thing I forced through. I've been running up them bands since an adolescent. Ain't nobody gave me nothing, never second guessed it. I just got up off my ass, never been a peasant. Living life like a king, oh what a blessing. I ain't never ran, never back down. I was fucked up, now I'm getting racks now. I've been wrestling and work like SmackDown. All them niggas that was hating on me, what they at now? Cause nigga, I've been running through the hundreds. You don't call my cellar European, calling about no money. I don't fuck with fake friends cause they go to acting funny. See you doing bad, won't nobody give you nothing. So I had to grind just to come up. Pistol on me for any nigga that run up. I was fucked up, I had to get the funds up. I gotta be the one that save my city like Wakanda. Cause niggas really creepin', slimy, killers behind me. You gon' catch a bullet for trying me. Got them been deep in the trenches where they gritty and grimy. Came a long way from the nickel and diamond, now I'm on. I was making plays in the bando. Lights off, bitch, we had to use kendo. Only the real will understand what I'm saying though. I started off with nothing and told myself I ain't planned though. Now everything I do, I put my all in it. Trying to make a pool of hundreds and just fall in it. I mob entertainment, we all win it. Trying to get a mansion, all of my dogs in it. Yeah.
There it is.
I ain't never ran, never back down. I was fucked up, now I'm getting racks now. I've been wrestling at work like SmackDown. All them niggas hating on me, where they at now? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Problem after problem that I go through. Yeah. Get these poor ass checks, get out my face and let me do my thing. You feel me? That's all they really care about. You fuck around the bucket when they check, what they do? They call me the box. Hey Terrell, where's the check on Monday? In my room. Hey, we need it, man. Yeah, man, you're not supposed to keep it.
What the fuck am I working for, bitch?
Them, you working for them. Yeah, listen, bro, that shit really crazy, bro. It's really funny as fuck, but you know, nigga really get the vibe and shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, nigga ain't all the way in prison, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? But you got that cracker there, he like on some prison shit.
Try to feel like you understand.
Yeah, he ain't gonna let you forget. When I first got that girl, he telling us, "You're not home." First word he said, "You're not out." You know what I'm saying? So the dude who was with me, he asked the lady like, "Oh, when can we smoke?" Cause you know they let you smoke there. You feel me? I don't smoke. You feel me? So they asking like, "When can you smoke?" They trying to smoke a cigarette. You feel me? So she like, "Oh, da 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 da, whatever." I'ma ask her. You know what I'm saying? I'ma ask her. This bitch coming. This bitch snapping. Who told her? When could you smoke? You just got here worried about smoking. This and that. Oh, I'm ready to terminate you. This and that. I'm like, yeah, they ain't tripping. Then he said, "You're not home.
I'm on the way back.
You're not out." You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, oh, I fucked up. Yeah. This shit is not sweet. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, damn, it ain't really nothing.
You know, it's always one of them.
Yeah, you know, it's something. You know, ain't nothing too sweet. You feel me? But, I mean, that shit's straight. You know what I'm saying?
No,
it's fuck jail, fuck POC, fuck probation. What else? Fuck a security guard. You know, it's game time. Nah,
yeah, I had to pick him up in Newport Richie.
I ain't even looking back, man. Who that is? Hello? What's up, Mom? We finna be over there.
I know we gotta help him move.
Yeah, I miss you. I'm gonna be over there in a little bit, Ma. I said we gonna come in a little bit.
Oh, okay, man.
You know?
Alright, see y'all later.
Alright, Ma.
Alright, bye.
Yeah. Problem after problem that I go through, yeah. Now I'm charged up like Goku, yeah. Like horseshoe, in the Corvette, do the same thing I'm forced to. I've been running up the band since an adolescent. Ain't nobody gave me nothing, never second guessed it. I just got up off my ass, never been a peasant. Living life like a king, oh what a blessing. I ain't never ran, never back down. I was fucked up, now I'm getting racks now. I've been wrestling and work like SmackDown. All them niggas that was hating on me, where they at now? Cause nigga, I be running through them hundreds. Please don't call my cellar if you ain't calling about no money. I don't fuck with fake friends cause they go to acting funny. See you doing bad, won't nobody give you nothing. So I had to grind just to come up. Took a moment for any nigga that run up. I was fucked up, I had to get the funds up. I gotta be the one that save my city like Wakanda. Cause niggas really creepin', slimy, killers behind me. You won't catch a bullet for trying me. Got them been the trenches and they gritty and grimy. Gotta came a long way from the nickel and diamond, I'm on. Yeah. Hey.
Talking about South. Talking about South.
Now I'm trying to like
talking about South.
Always keep a pole up like horseshoe. I'm going better to the same thing I pour through. bad at 813, man. It's either now or never. And I prefer now. Straight up. Yeah.
Ah, you had it for a quick second. I thought you were going to go.
Damn, I look good in the camera. I can't stop saying that.
I've been saying, I like the red. You bring my eyes out.
I ain't even smoked yet. My shit dumb low. Get it from its father.
Okay, you're having that high. Yeah,
I've been drunk too. I don't give a fuck. I'm violating all rules. I'm drunk as hell. He talking about, hey, Terrell, you got your check, all this shit here. Man, I'm drunk as hell. You just don't know. Shit. Damn, well, I'm finna bring everything out the city, man, with this shit, man. Everybody who trying to progress, man, to work, man. We working. Can't stop, man. Fuck. Going to every hood, nigga, every hood, nigga, what's happening, nigga, who rap, who, what's up, who sang, nigga, what happening? We doing it, man, we working, man, footage, game time, man, that's what time it is, man. Golden State, man, goddamn, we got so many people on the team, it ain't even fair. We got so many shooters and, you know what I'm saying? Bitch, you need to get off that phone.
Okay, so.
That been about kicked us about
he
5
trying
times.
to text, bitch, you better voice text, bitch.
Just on this
Okay,
road.
so I can't do that.
Well, you need to stop, bitch. You get out here, I'm running.
I'm saying pussy throbbing and shit. Hold on now.
You crazy, bitch. I'm out of here. You know you ain't got no damn insurance. You hit a bitch, you going to jail.
I'm swallowing everything in the car.
Yeah, you white, so everything get here illegal, yours. You know how this shit go. Cracker said, yo, you just ain't get enough, huh? I bet your dumb ass didn't even make it home yet, huh?